Okay, here we go. We're gonna do the most epic prank ever. I'm gonna send this place ablazing and sound from the fire alarm. Here we go. We got our lighter. Keep calm and flick on. So, and then we got, can you see it? There's the fire alarm. So I'm gonna light this thing and see what happens. Like if it automatically, and see how long it takes. So what we want is timing, get a timing. So here we go. Oh no, code red. Code red.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just, oh.
Study fun?
Yeah, I don't want him to see. I don't want him to.
What?
I'm just, oh no.
Try it again.
There's too many witnesses around.
How's it going?
Ooh, that was close. Ooh, okay, now no one's looking. We can go. Okay, here we go. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that. That's crazy.